Okay, here we are checking in a hot milk option. So you can choose the frother level here. Okay, it's ready, hot milk. Okay. Okay, frothing is okay now. It's looking very little less frothing. Okay. Do cleaning. It's asking for clean. Turn the dial to clean. So if you have any milk frother issue with the frothing, you need to do this. Okay. And for the cleaning purpose, you need to remove these things, and here and you put hot water or pressure water to throw off this, and you need to turn the dial to insert position and pull out. Insert position and just pull out. Okay, you need to put pressure water or hot water into there, all the holes, inlet holes everywhere, and fix it as same, beginning to the insert position and turn it to the frother level, that's maximum or medium. Okay, and they will fix it back as same. This is a steam. Okay, and if you have milk issue, we will remove this milk pipe, and we'll do without milk pipe. If you have frother issue, we have one solution. Is without milk pipe, you have to go to the same hot milk option. So now it will come hot steam only. So without milk tube. Okay, you have to do this like 3-4 times continuously. So then after the milk program will be fine. You will get a good frothing quantity. Okay, so
If
this
milk
is
substances inside, it will go outside.
yeah, because any milk substances is inside, it will get small difficulty in the frothing. So if you do like 2-3 times continuously, it will be clear. So yeah, I will do like 2-3 times continuously without milk tube. Same option, hot milk option.
اوكي اهلين فيكم. لازم هذا شوف مع الفيديو حقت احنا وديلونج ماكينة كوفي. لو في نفر سوي لازم اشتغل مع سوي هذا كوفي مع الحليب. ده لازم خلاص كل يوم لازم ننظف كله هذا كامل. دوت مال عشان يدوق بعدين يجي مو زين مال هذا. كل يوم خلاص وقبل اليوم خلاص لازم هذا سوي مع موية حار. نظف لازم شوف هذا مع الفيديو بعدين انتكم فهم عليكم كيف سويت نظف عليه سوي ترتيب عليه يجي مع السيستم. كل 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 كوفي يعني واحد كوب خلاص بعدين خليه يجي هذا من داخل ولا هذا تيوب مع داخل ماكينة مع الدود خليه هو برا. بعدين خليه شوف مع السيستم بعدكم فهم عليكم اسوي دبت هذا بعدين بس خليه يجي موية طلع برا. لازم شوف هذا فيديو ان شاء الله. في شي مشكلة مع الحليب تحملي ما في يجي برا هذا تسوي ترتيب عليه ان شاء الله. Okay, hello everyone. So please do the subscribe and like. Keep watching this video, and you will get all updated videos in our channel. So if you have any problem, you can put on the comment box. So we will reply to you. So keep in touch with us. So good luck for everyone.